We tend to think of presence as something we practice during quiet moments, meditation, a walk in nature, a deep conversation over coffee. But one of the most powerful and important times to be present is during a conflict. It's also the time we're most likely to check out. When tension rises, our instinct is to escape, mentally or emotionally. We start crafting defense, plotting our next move out, rehearsing comebacks, or we shut down entirely. But there's a truth that might surprise you. Conflict does not destroy connection. Disconnection does. And presence, that's the antidote. When you choose to stay present in a hard conversation, really stay, you send a powerful message. And that message is something like this. This matters. You matter. I'm not going anywhere. It kind of looks like this. Listening without preparing a defense. Staying with your own discomfort without numbing or fleeing. And trying to understand even when you disagree. Presence doesn't mean you agree with everything being said. It means you're willing to meet someone where they are. The kind of presence changes the entire dynamic. It de-escalates. It disarms. It heals what defense never could. You'll be tempted to pull away. That's normal. Presence isn't about perfection. It's about practice. You notice you've left? Come back. You want to react? Take a breath. That's the practice. Momentary by momentary choices. And over time, it creates safety. It builds trust. It strengthens connection because the other person is going to process the conversation that you just had.
So next time conflict shows up, try this. Don't run. Don't try to win. Stay. Stay long enough to listen, long enough to feel, long enough to reach understanding. Because presence in conflict doesn't just solve problems, it transforms relationships.
This is Mike Sansone with Reaching Hearts, and I'm on a mission to inspire a world where love isn't just a feeling, it's a daily practice. Thank you for subscribing, and if you like this video, please click the like below. And if you want to explore more topics like this, be sure to check out other videos on my channel. Let's strengthen our love, and let's keep building better love muscles. We'll see you in the next video.